What's up guys, Danny Gevirtz here, and I'm here today to tell you why you do not need to buy one of these bad boys. A drone. I know drone footage is absolutely amazing. It is cool, fun to fly your drone, fun to put that footage into your videos. It makes it look like there's more production value and you're getting great establishing shots that wouldn't normally be humanly possible. But that is exactly what they are for, just getting good establishing shots. I bought this drone back within literally the first few months of my filmmaking career. And it was something that I thought I needed. I thought I needed to purchase a $1,200 drone because I was watching all these travel videos and I want to be someone who made travel videos and made the level of quality that these people were making. And it was something that I did not need to spend $1,200 on at the time because it is something I didn't have $1,200 at the time to be spending in the first place. Unless you're shooting real estate videos or shooting travel videos exclusively, this is not something that you absolutely need for your projects. If you're shooting stuff like commercials, music videos, this is not something that you're going to necessarily need at all. Drones are good for establishing shots. Establishing shots are great for showing your viewer where your story is taking place in relationship to the rest of the world. In pretty much all cases, your story is not going to be told through establishing wide shots. It's going to be told through the medium and tight shots that are showing character develop and getting your ideas across and putting your viewer within your video itself. And you're not going to be using a drone for tight and medium shots. You're going to be using your A camera. How often are you using establishing shots in your video? It's usually like right at the beginning or right at the beginning of a different scene or at the very end when you're putting like a logo graphic over something. So how are you going to get good establishing shots without a drone? You can do it the old-fashioned way and walk back with your feet, put your camera on a tripod, and show the surrounding areas. Most of the time your camera is going to have a better sensor and have better quality than your drone camera would have in the first place. You're gonna get good quality wide shots if you're not using a drone. Just because it's not flying over, pushing in, doesn't mean your shot is not going to be good if it is composed and framed correctly. So yeah, that's just a little tidbit. I didn't want young filmmakers to feel like this is something that you absolutely need to purchase in order for you to get your filmmaking career started, because it is something that you really don't need to buy and probably won't use all that much. But don't get me wrong, these are awesome, they're so fun to use and they always get amazing footage, but I just want you to know that you don't need it. Thank you for letting me be a part of your filmmaking career, and I'll talk to you later.